In this video, we are going to talk about the element of art called line. A line is a continuous mark made by a series or string of points that can be used to show the outline of a shape, to create texture, pattern, and value, and can suggest a mood. On this slide, I'm showing you an example of a straight line. You do not have to give a definition in your notes packet, you just have to draw an example of each type of line. So in the first box where it says straight, you'll draw a straight line. This is one that does not bend or curve or change direction in any way. The other two types of common line are curved lines and zigzag lines. Curved lines gradually change direction. They express activity, but they are less active and calmer lines. You can think about spirals, loop-de-loops, and waved lines for this example. The other type is zigzag lines. These are a combination of diagonal lines. They meet at sharp angles, changing direction suddenly. They create feelings of confusion and excitement, and they are active and expressive lines. We can also separate lines by the direction that they follow. A vertical line is one that seems straight up and down. These tend to be static lines. We don't think about vertical lines moving very much. We also have horizontal lines moving left to right or right to left. And again, these are very restful, calm lines. Think about the horizon line, doesn't tend to move all that frequently. The opposite of that would be diagonal lines. These are slanted and do tend to suggest action. They tend to be energetic and in motion. And if you put two of them next to each other, they seem to hold each other up. Finally, when you are combining lines, there are two different terms that you probably will have heard in your math class: parallel and perpendicular. Parallel being two lines that never cross each other. They don't have to be straight lines. You can have parallel curved lines or parallel zigzag lines, as long as they never cross each other and they stay the same distance away from each other. And perpendicular are two lines that meet at a 90-degree angle. So your uppercase T, as shown on the screen, or an uppercase L are examples of perpendicular lines.